Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create drop-down menu on Weebly. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Weebly, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Drop-down menus helps you organize and categorize content more effectively, making it easier for users to find specific pages or sections. The idea is drop-down menus will provide users with quick access to related pages or sections without having to navigate away from the current page. For us to be able to create a drop-down menu, I need you to click on the pages and click on the page. Maybe standard page, like this one. Now you see, there's gonna be a section that says header. It's gonna be the I'm going to rename it as drop down menu. Okay, so I'm gonna put it bold and choosing a different color. Maybe this one, right? Now after that, click on the header. Now once you are here, I need you to click on the arrow here on the upper left corner. You see, you can move and copy the home button. Click on that. All right, and go back again to the gallery. And of course, it's the same thing earlier. You have now put in the gallery to your home button, right? So basically, that's how you create a drop-down menu here on Weebly. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.